Hello everyone, I am Balamurugan. I am from second year CSE from Shriram College. Today we are going to learn about the Strassens matrix multiplication algorithm at Algorithms Lab. Let's move on to our video guys.
Hello guys, today I am going to explain a Java program that implements Strassens matrix multiplication algorithm. Don't worry about the big name, I'll explain everything in a very simple way. So basically, this program is used to multiply two matrices. Normally, when we multiply two matrices, we use three nested loops. That works fine for the small matrices. But when the matrix size becomes large, the normal method becomes slow because it performs too many multiplications. So we need a faster and smarter way to multiply matrices. The faster way is called Strassens algorithm. Why do we need this? When the matrix size becomes big, like 100 by 100 or 1000 by 1000, the number of calculation becomes very large. Normal multiplication takes time like big O of n cube time, but Strassens algorithm reduces it to around big O of n power 2.83. So for large matrices, this method is faster. What is the main idea of this multiplication method? This method uses a divide and conquer, like it divides the given matrix into four equal parts, like top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Then instead of doing 8 multiplications like normal method, it only does 7. Yes, instead of 8, it does only 7 methods. The small reduction makes big difference for large matrices. Where does the program take input? We have imported scanner class in the beginning of the program. Then we have the inputs that take for two matrices in the main method, which is int a of ab int and int b, which will get the input for two matrices. The important news is it only takes power of 2 matrices like 4 by 4, 8 by 8, 16 by 16. Why it takes only power of 2 matrices? Because it need to divide it into 4 equal parts. If it's 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, it can't equally divide it matrices. So if we want to actually use the 3 by 3 or 3 by 2 matrices in a Strassens matrix, we need to add the extra values like to divide it into four equal parts. Like we need to add some zeros in the null spaces. So we use the over padding method to get the 3 by 3 or 3 by 2 matrix into using the Strassens algorithm. So here guys, we are going to review this program step by step. Or to understand this program has mainly three methods, which is one add method. It adds the matrices one step by step, and we have subtract method which subtracts the matrices, and the main method is the multiplication method. It multiplies the two matrices in a very special way that it only does 7 multiplication like this. There are formula for to multiply this algorithm. Then after this all multiplication and addition and subtraction, we get C1, C11, C12 and C21 and C22. Then we combine this result like this guys. Then we combine the four matrices into one final result matrix, then return it as C. Then we print the result Guys, that's all for this program Strassen matrix. Here we executed this program, like we entered order of matrix which is the power of 2, and we entered the small matrix for simple and easy, and this matrix is 1 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. The result matrix is 7 10 and 15 12. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.